Hi Michael, thank you for joining our program today. I know Aviva recently has done a survey on the attitude of people about insurance and the pension market. Can you tell us about the findings?
Sure, thank you for having me, Enoch. I think firstly it's important to set the background of the survey itself. The survey is quite a large piece of work which is conducted globally and has been conducted since 2004. In 2009 we actually surveyed 28,000 people across 26 different countries. Some of the findings that we've taken away, over half the number of the respondents, they actually don't understand their policies and pensions and found financial planning very, very confusing and complicated. 53% of respondents actually don't plan for their finances. 36% of respondents don't actually understand their pension policies, and only 28% of respondents are prepared to pay for good quality financial advice. 2/3 of respondents, interestingly, would rather get their financial advice from their friends and family, and this is quite common, I think, culturally in Asia and certainly in Hong Kong from what we've seen in previous years' results as well. More interestingly though, the things that are concerning people the most, that are actually making people worried, the number one and number two reasons for Hong Kong this year was health and pandemics. And things to do with their finances and their planning of finances were only third and fourth on people's worry list.
So overall, do you find Hong Kong people have a very big difference from the overseas market?
Certainly, I think Hong Kong is a different market, and I think Hong Kong is a very exciting market. There are differences in every market that we've seen. From the consumer attitudes to surveys findings, we've found that Hong Kong this year has seen quite a large jump in differences to certain responses. Hong Kong as a market, although I'm very, very excited about, I think certainly the differences between the markets themselves rather than the consumers, there are many, many opportunities.
On the regulatory issue, the government has changed the law to allow the employee to choose the MPF provider from 2011. Do you think that will change the development of pension market in Hong Kong?
I think that this is a proactive step, and it's a step in the right direction. I think that the change in law on its own will not necessarily increase the number of MPF contributions. But at the same time, it will create a renaissance. It will create a talking point, and it already has, as we've seen in the media. It will create a talking point for consumers to actually take a more personal interest in their retirement savings and their pension schemes. I think also, coming back to the fact that that alone will not be the catalyst, this choice which is provided to customers, that presents an opportunity for advisors to really engage with customers, to talk about retirement planning more, to talk about the changes which are occurring. And that opportunity is very, very exciting. And again, we've created that platform with Wealth Navigator for advisors to speak with clients, and likewise clients to engage proactively with their advisors.
Do you have many policies yourself?
Interestingly, I have 4 pension policies.
4 pension?
4 pensions in 4 different countries, and I think that's just a reflection of having worked in numerous markets across the world. I have 3 life insurance policies, and I always make sure that I have the appropriate health insurance cover wherever I am in the world, be it on short-term travel or be it as a resident in a country. And I also have 2 financial advisors, one for home and one for abroad.
So definitely you're well covered. Well, once again, thank you for joining our program today.
Thank you.